everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the strap for the house key holder project. We're going to make the strap here with a technique called straight cord, and then I'm going to show you how to attach the cord into the loop end as well. To make a straight cord, we're first going to have to leave about 3 times the length of the strap. So here the length of the strap is about 30 centimeters. So this means that we're going to have to leave about 90 centimeters worth of yarn before making our slip knot. So right about here. So make a slip knot. Insert the hook and then pull on both ends to tighten. Okay, so now the yarn on the bottom is the 90 centimeters worth of yarn that we left out, and then the one on top is the yarn attached to our ball of yarn. Okay, so to begin, we're going to first hold on to the tail of our yarn and then bring it over our hook like this, wrapping it from front to back so that you have 2 loops on your hook. So this is the slip knot, and then this is the yarn that we just wrapped. And then we're going to make a yarn over and then pull through both loops. Here we have our first stitch for our straight cord. So we're going to repeat that process again. So wrap the yarn tail over the hook from front to back, and then yarn over and then pull through both loops. Here's our second stitch. We're going to repeat this over and over again until we have 30 centimeters worth of straight cord. So here's our third stitch. So wrap from front to back and then yarn over and pull through both loops. So here's the finished straight cord, and I have woven in all the ends, and then I also have the little loop end here with me, and I'm going to show you how to attach the straight cord onto the loop end for our straps. I'm going to make sure that the stitches are all facing the right direction, like this. And then just start stitching them together. This part doesn't have to be super neat, because they're going to be covered by the loop end anyway. Just make sure that they are securely attached. Okay, so I think this is about right. And then, so now grab the loop end and then open up the opening here a little bit, and then insert the needle here to attach the cord into the loop. So go over vertically and then also horizontally, but try to hide the thread in between the stitches so that they don't show up on our work. So just try to go into different directions. Okay, once you're finished, make a little knot at the end. And then hide the knot by going through the same stitch and then going out just onto any random spot. And then cut the yarn. So now here we have the strap finished. And now we can weave in the ends for the loop. So use a darning needle. And then just try to hide. Just try to weave it in as neatly as possible. Okay, and then you can cut it off once you're finished. And now here we have the strap complete.